certain night, the night we met, there was magic abroad in the air. There were angels dining at the Ritz, and a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. I may be right, I may be wrong, but I'm certainly willing to swear that when you turned and smiled at me, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. The moon that lingered over London town, poor puzzled moon wore such a frown. You turned to me and you smiled and said, was that a dream, or was it true? Homeward, heart of mine beats loud and fast, like a merry-go-round in fair. And like an echo far away, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. It's strange, it's so sweet and strange, there was never a dream to compare with that hazy, crazy night we met, when a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. Oh, this heart of mine beat loud and fast, like a merry-go-round in a fair. And like an echo far away, nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. When dawn came stealing up all gold and blue to interrupt our rendezvous, you turned to me and you smiled and said, was that a dream, or was it true? This homeward stretch is just as fine as the dancing feet of